Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello. Today I just have, practice, the usual. So welcome to a day in my life. Now I'm gonna make some breakfast. Alright guys, ew, the sun. Okay, it is 6, no, it's not 6 o'clock, God. It's 5:12, I'm headed to practice now. I'm getting a little sniffly. I don't have, by the way, but I'm just getting sick probably, but, oh, I probably can't take, but I have my mask, my face mask for practice, like this, yeah, pretty much. But yeah, we're gonna head over there and then I'll update you when I get there, if I had time. Hi guys, I'm so sorry that I forgot to vlog like after practice. Actually, it is after practice. Practice like ended like 20 minutes ago basically. So it is 9 o'clock now and I didn't vlog at practice just because the vibes were not there. You know what I'm saying? And it just was not a good practice and I was not in a good mood after when I got in my car, so I just drove home. But now I'm home, so sorry I did not vlog, but I will definitely pick it up tomorrow, or if I do anything later tonight, I will vlog that. But it's 9 o'clock now. I want to watch the NBA finals, so I'll probably do that and just chill, and then I'll vlog. Oh my god, and I'll vlog tomorrow. But I have my ice on my shoulder and my back as usual. But yeah, for dinner I'll probably have a black bean quesadilla because I'm trying to go pescatarian now, so I will just pick it up tomorrow. Trust me, that's the best for you and me. Okay. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. It is, what is it? Wednesday, October 7th. Yeah, so it's my boyfriend's birthday today, so yay, happy birthday. So I forgot I said yesterday, but it's like almost 12 o'clock now. It's like, yeah, it's 12:15 and I have yet to eat breakfast kind of because I slept in today. But I'm gonna make some hash browns and stuff like that as usual. But I don't really have an update for today. Like I have practice again, but that's pretty much it because it's fall break, so I don't have class this week. So it's fall break, so I'm just chilling. Have practice later, but I also have some clothes that are in the back. They need to show y'all like a little clothing haul. What I got just from like an outlet mall, but I think today I'm gonna go and get some Crocs. I don't know why. I just really want Crocs, and I'm also gonna buy my boyfriend a pair for his birthday and surprise him. So yes. So I'm just gonna eat and then get ready and go get some Crocs. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a haul now of all the stuff that I've purchased. So first of all, I got these sweatpants from H&M. And I don't remember how much they were, but yes, they're size small and they're pretty oversized. So I'll start with H&M. I got this bodysuit, kind of like a stone, like gray, cream color, beige, sure, whatever. I got this in a size small and it was $9.99. I also got a sweater from H&M because it's starting to get a little colder, you know. So I just got this white sweater, like mock neck, or it's not like a turtleneck, it's just regular. This white sweater. And this was on sale for $12 and was originally $19.99. And I got a size medium. Lastly from H&M, I got this turtleneck, this leopard print turtleneck. It's actually really cute, so I really liked it. Next, I went to American Eagle. I got some undies, so it's this pair of underwear, this pair of underwear, and a black pair of underwear. I just wanted to get some like comfy underwear because there is a difference between comfy underwear and like thongs and stuff for volleyball. So I just got some comfortable underwear, and these were on sale, and these were $4 each. So great deal. And then from H&M I got, not H&M, bleh, from American Eagle, I got a pair of pants, and they're like khakis. And you're wondering, Jacoby, why are they so long? Because my legs are extremely long. So this is a size 4 extra long, and these fit really, really nicely. They're long enough on me. They're a little big in the waist, but I just wear a belt. And these are also on sale for $19.99. Next, I went to Lululemon. So I got these, this is also kind of like a muted green color. I got these Align shorts, 10-inch shorts, but I'm probably gonna go in and get them hemmed some because they're a little long on me and I don't really like how they look. So I'm just gonna get them hemmed, which is like free of charge, which is great. Thank you, Lululemon. But yeah, just use Align biker shorts. Has the Lulu thing on the back. Yeah, these are really comfortable, really soft, just as the other Align leggings, and they're really cute. And these were originally $58, but I am a part of Sweat Collective, which is for like athletes and like spin instructors, stuff like that. So I have a discount. So I paid $46.55 with tax. I went to Adidas, to the outlet, and I got this shirt. Well, actually my boyfriend bought it for me, so thanks. I got this cropped camo blue. If you hear the potato sizzling in the back, I'm sorry. I'm cooking my breakfast. This top right here, it's really cute on, and I got this in a size medium, and this was also on sale for like $12.99 or $14.99, something like that. So it's a great deal. Thank you, Richard, for buying that for me. And then lastly, I finally got a new pair of white Air Force Ones. I just got a new pair of black Air Force Ones. Well, I've never had a pair of black ones, but my white ones are so beat up and nasty. Like they're all creased and like they're so nasty. They've been through it. Like I've had them for years. I needed to get a new pair. So I finally cracked and got a new fresh pair of Air Force Ones, and these were $90, and with tax they were like $95, whatever. Yeah, and I wear the size like 8.5 in men's or a women's 10. So yes, all right guys, that was my clothing haul, and I'll see you in my next clip. I'll probably be eating my breakfast. Yeah. Okay, so for breakfast, I'm just having my hash browns with like cheese and seasoning, and then some water. Oh my god, okay, so now I'm getting ready for practice. I look freaking weird, but I'm gonna go with black socks today. Just because I really don't have anything else, so that's why. I think I'm also gonna wear my normal shoes, but I need to find a sports bra, so uno momento. Okay, so I'm just wearing this black sports bra from Old Navy, black spandex, black socks. Now let's find a t-shirt. Actually, my t-shirt's in my locker. What am I doing? Okay, you're literally balancing on my towel rack right now, but gotta put my mask on around my neck. I go to practice with 2 masks on, so, well, 2 masks. 1 mask, well, 2 masks, like the normal one that goes around your ears, and then this one. Just, you know, I don't know, variety. All right, so I'm ready. I just threw on a Ye Old Oyster House t-shirt, but I need to find my gum because I really want to chew gum because I'm like really anxious. Found it. Good to go. Hi guys, so it's like 11:30 now. I like completely forgot to vlog my night, but I literally just got back from practice and I just did not vlog, and I'm sorry. Oh, I ate dinner with my boyfriend because it's his birthday, so I didn't vlog. I'm sorry. Hey guys, it's the next day. It is like, frick, I forgot my Apple Watch, hold on. Okay guys, so hey, it's the next day. I am headed to practice. It is 12:21 and I'm headed to practice right now. I'm gonna try to get more clips, but yeah. Have my volleyball bag and I'm kind of frazzled, so I need to chew some gum to like calm myself. I'm just like not in a good mood at all, and it's hot and I am frantic. So, welcome to the vlog. I literally have 20 miles of gas in my tank, y'all. What the freak? Alright you guys, so it is 3:31 now. I had my ice on again. It's after practice. I am absolutely exhausted, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give a like, subscribe to this channel, and I always post on Fridays Fridays and Sundays at 4 p.m. Eastern. I don't know why I can think of that. I'm so scatterbrained. I'm so hungry. I feel like I'm not getting enough oxygen to my brain right now. So yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.